In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Hulu on your Steam Deck. Let's dive in. While the Steam Deck doesn't have a native Hulu app, you can still stream Hulu using its web browser or by sideloading apps. Start by turning on your Steam Deck and connecting it to Wi-Fi. Open the Steam Deck desktop mode for easier navigation. To use the web browser, open the Google Chrome or Firefox browser. You may need to install one if not already available. Go to www.hulu.com and log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up directly from the website. Once logged in, you can stream Hulu content in the browser. Alternatively, you can sideload the Hulu app using tools like Discover, which allows you to install Android apps on the Steam Deck. Search for Hulu, download it, and log in to start streaming. For the best experience, ensure your Steam Deck is docked and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy Hulu on your Steam Deck.